Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we're taking a look at the general crypto market. We're having a green week in the crypto market. We're also having a green day in the crypto market. Bitcoin is currently trading above $16,800. All coins are having a nice time. In this video, we'll be taking a look at news stories happening in the crypto market. Are we going to continue dumping to gobbling town, or is the bottom in? Is this pump real, or are we setting ourselves up for one final dump to the downside? We will be talking about that and more in this video. But first guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself, and investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So if you want to make money long-term trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Guys, Bitcoin, the king of the market, is still trading around $16,800. A lot of market participants are waiting for that one final flush to the downside. Are we going to get it, or is the bottom in already for Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is working its way back to a relief rally? How high can Bitcoin go in 2023? Right now, fingers are crossed. We're waiting for Bitcoin to go above $25,000. The last time we saw Bitcoin trading above $25,000 was in August 2022. Since then, we've been dumping to gobbling town. So time, will it be now, or will it be late in 2023? But we know at some point in time, we're due a rally in the altcoin market. We're due a rally in the crypto market that might see Bitcoin head above $30,000. If you take a look at the altcoin market in the last 1 week, we're seeing some pumps to the upside on a daily time frame, also on a weekly time frame. One of the huge gainers on the weekly time frame has been Solana. Solana is up more than 26% in the last 1 week. Even BitDAO is up more than 42% in the last 1 week. Is the bottom in for all these altcoins, or do we have further downsides? News stories happening in the crypto world. US Fed put together FTX task force to trace stolen user funds. The United States Attorney Damian Williams says the office is working around the clock to respond to the implosion of FTX. The United States Attorney Office of the Southern District of New York has formed the FTX task force to trace and recover missing customer funds, as well as handle investigations and prosecute related persecution related to the exchange collapse. Interesting to see. Grayscale ETH Trust nears 60% discount as nerves continue over DGC. Grayscale, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash Trust are in steep discount as concern whirls around digital currency group liquidity. The Grayscale Ethereum Trust is trading nearly at a 60% discount to the underlying value of its assets, with share falling 93% from June 2019 all-time high. There are many reasons behind the ongoing decline, but in recent weeks, fears have been growing that fallout from parent company digital currency group debt of approximately $1.6 billion to troubled crypto lenders Genesis could impact Grayscale's assets. And Bahamas regulator denies asking crypto exchange FTX to mint new token. Bahamas regulator fights back against being publicly challenged by FTX against incorrect calculation of digital assets transferred under its control. The Security Commission of Bahamas has denied FTX debtors' claim and expressed concern that investigation has been impeded. Interesting to see, the FTX story is still taking shape. FTX recently appeared in court, and we are seeing reasons why it could be a rocky week for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoins. Even though right now we're seeing green all over the market, altcoins are having a nice time. Let's not forget, we're still deep in the crypto bear market. If we go on a monthly time frame, on a yearly time frame, a lot of these altcoins are still down bad. So let's not get carried away with the pump we have in the last 1 week or in the last 1 day. It can easily turn to a dumb week with just one dump to the downside. The Bahamas lawyer up as the FTX case proceeds in U.S. courts and disagreements fester. Rudnick has worked for the country since March, but the nation's potentially increased role in the case requires it to register in the United States as a foreign agent. The Bahamas will have legal representation in the unfolding case. The Caribbean nation chooses Rudnick as counsel in certain matters of engagement related to the collapse of FTX Digital Market Limited, alongside Bahamas lawyers and other experts, according to the statement released by the law firm. Sam Bankman-Fried enters not guilty plea for all counts in the federal court. The former FTX CEO faces 8 criminal counts in the United States, which could result in 115 years in prison should he be convicted. The former FTX CEO has pleaded not guilty to all criminal charges he's facing relating to the collapse of the crypto exchange, including wire fraud, security fraud, and violations of campaign financial laws. Solana has been a huge loser since FTX collapsed, but we have seen Solana bouncing off the bottom. It's up more than 26% in the last 1 week. Will Solana continue pumping to higher prices? Guys, Solana is still down more than 80% in the last 1 year. We saw it lose 90% of its value since January 2022. Bitcoin miners sees mixed success in tracking debt fuel over expansion crisis. Industry players accumulated over $4 billion of debt in the last crypto run-up. According to recent reports by Hash Rate Index, publicly listed Bitcoin miners took more than $4 billion worth of debt during the run-up to the crypto bull run market. Mesmerized by rising prices, industry rush hand over fist to purchase Bitcoin application-specific integrated cycle miners on easy credit. And right now, they are paying for those wild purchases. Sam Bankman-Fried legal teams warns of harassment and threats to parents in latest court filing. Two identified parties are planning to act as juries for Sam Bankman-Fried's bid, and his legal team want to ensure that they stay that way. The legal team behind former FTX Chief Executive Officer Sam Bankman-Fried has petitioned a court to redact certain information on individuals acting as juries for his $250 million bond, citing threats made against his immediate family. Community celebrates Bitcoin Genesis Day by sending Bitcoin to Genesis block. The wallet address now contains more than 68 Bitcoin, which is worth around $1.1 million at the time of writing. As Bitcoin hits its 14th birthday, Bitcoiners from around the world are celebrating in various ways, some opting to send Bitcoin to the address containing the rewards for mining its Genesis block. Happy birthday to Bitcoin, 14 years and counting. How long will Bitcoin survive? Ukraine pharmacist enables crypto payments via Binance Pay. Ukraine continues adopting cryptocurrencies payments with crypto exchange Binance amidst ongoing war with Russia. Pharmacists in Ukraine are embracing digital payments amidst the ongoing war, with a major chain enabling payments in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Adoption is continuing. Binance is leading the way. Shout out to Ukraine for adopting cryptocurrencies. Lightning Network gets physical form in Australia with Bitcoin ATM. Lightning-enabled network ATMs promise to offer instant transaction support and a significant cost in the cost of traditional crypto ATM. The Australian city of Wollongong has gotten its first Bitcoin ATM integrated Lightning Network capacity. The new ATM has been installed at the Strand Shopping Centre in Wollongong and is now available for use by the public. Other news happening in the crypto world: Tax attorney break down the MicroStrategy Bitcoin sales. MicroStrategy recent sales of a portion of its Bitcoin treasury holdings put cryptocurrency tax harvesting into the spotlight. MicroStrategy is one of the huge holders of Bitcoin. They have over 130,000 Bitcoin. A regulatory filing with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission on December 28 detailed the first time the firm sold some of its Bitcoin, since its high-profile adoption of the preeminent cryptocurrency as its primary treasury asset. Bitcoin volatility may return in catch-up with gold in 2023. Both stocks and gold are leading the way when it comes to New Year's gains, but Bitcoin can match them. And we know that altcoins are very volatile. We know that Bitcoin is very volatile, but Bitcoin volatility is declining on schedule. But Bitcoin price action could still play catch-up with gold this year. Will Bitcoin pump to the upside against gold, or are we going to see Bitcoin continue losing value against gold in 2023? Stocks have started going up, gold has started going up. The time is right for Bitcoin to go up. Morocco finalized crypto regulatory framework. That's what their central bank is saying. The bill, which could be introduced to public discussion in the following days, will legally define crypto in the fastest growing market. Morocco may see its first crypto bill introduced in the following days. The document is already written by the central bank and will be discussed with the industry stakeholders. Since you get called out by the community as he fires off accusation against digital currency group, the 3AC founder fires off allegation against digital currency group, saying that he conspired with FTX to attack Luna. As liquidity issues surround digital currency group, Three Arrows Capital founder Sinzu made a Twitter thread containing allegations against digital currency group and FTX. However, the founder immediately got called out by the crypto community for blaming others and not taking accountability. Let's not forget 3AC collapsed earlier in 2022. Up till now, those guys are still on the road. Public filing reveals the $3 billion crypto trader who still lives with his mom. Interesting to see. While living at his parents' house in Sydney, Australia, this crypto trader took home over $7 million in profit in 2021, according to public records. A 25-year-old crypto investor who traded nearly $2 billion worth of crypto in 2021 ran his crypto empire from the comfort of his parents' home in Sydney, Australia, according to public records. Ripple CEO optimistic about US regulatory clarity for crypto. Support for cryptocurrency regulation in the United States is bipartisan and bicameral, according to Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse. Brad Garlinghouse CEO shared in January 3rd Twitter thread that he cautiously optimistic about the United States gaining breakthrough regulatory clarity for the cryptocurrency industry in 2023. According to him, today is the first day of the 118th Congress. While prior efforts at regulatory clarity for crypto in the US have stalled, I'm cautiously optimistic that 2023 is the year we finally see a breakthrough. And Cork Scientific shuts down 37,000 mining rig it was hosting for Celsius. Cork Scientific estimates that cancelling the agreement to Celsius will provide $2 million in revenue per month as long as Bitcoin stays around 16,700. Bankruptcy crypto lender Celsius Network has agreed to let Bitcoin miners Cork Scientific shut down more than 37,000 rigs it had been hosting for Celsius during the miners' bankruptcy proceeding. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Where do you see the crypto market heading to in the next 1 week and the next 1 month? Do you think this pump is real by altcoins? Are we going to see altcoins continue pumping to the upside in 2023? Or are we going to see them dumping to gobbling town? Will Bitcoin hold the $16,000 region? Or are we going to see it drop to as low as 12,000? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.
7,